Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your family to Spotify. So to be able to add your family member to your Spotify account, you need to upgrade your Spotify into premium. And then here in the premium tab, you need to choose the premium family. So in this premium feature, you can add up to 6 premium accounts, and so you can add 5 family members including you, if you subscribe into this plan. So you can just click on the get premium. Then after that, you need to choose the price according to your liking. So you can choose to subscribe in monthly, or you can also use in third month, 6 months, or a year, like this. So you can just choose which one and then proceed with the payment. Then you can add your family member to Spotify. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like this video, and also click on the thanks below and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.